Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is perfect for that little furry friend of yours, and it is an exercise wheel. This was sent over by a company called VEVOR. It's going to just come with a simple instruction manual. It's really easy to assemble. As you can see right here, all the pieces just snap together and form the nice little circle, and then you have the little base, and then there's just a little cat kind of shaped, or I should say fish shaped, kind of a stopper that keeps the wheel from moving, so that way they can get used to it, or if you just don't want them to where they may use it without authorization per se, you can lock it in place. Now, one of the nice things about it is you'll notice it has this nice grippy kind of fabric in here, which the cats are going to love to use their claws on. This is completely removable, so it just is held together by Velcro, so it makes it super easy to keep nice and clean. And then if you do ever want to store it, it's really easy just to take it back apart because everything just snaps in place, and then you can just restack it all. But as far as unlocking it, you just need to turn the little hinge to the fish and then slide it out of the way, and then the wheel will just flow nice and smooth. Overall, it's very quiet as far as running, so they can go around and utilize it as much as they want. There is two little main grooves, and that is where it goes into the wheel. So it's very stable when utilizing it, so it doesn't can't really fall off the track, which is great. So if they get really going super fast, it's not like it's going to roll away, which is a very nice, important safety feature of this. So I like the fact that the groove is in the little wheel mechanism. It's also very low to the ground, as you can see. So it's easy for your cats to climb on and start running on the inside. Now, to give you an idea of the size of this thing, the overall diameter of the inside is about 29 inches. And so the overall size of the product itself is about 31.5 inches in length. It is about 13.5 inches in width. The base is the largest part, and then it is 33.5 inches tall to the height. Now, this particular wheel is designed for cats that are about 8 to 9 pounds in weight. However, we do have a big boy, and he seems to be fine with it, but that is what its recommended weight is, so do keep that in mind also. But overall, it's a great little, nice, small cat wheel. It doesn't take up a lot of room. It's fairly quiet and very stable, which is one of the reasons I like about it, and I like the fact that this can be removed. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great little cat wheel to exercise your furry friends, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.